return to the train of pain.
The train of pain.
That's not useful.
Did you just mind trick him through that window?
I don't think I did. Pretty sure I just selected it. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I didn't actually press.
It looked like you were going with the mind trick. It'd be kind of funny. I will now trick you. Walking off the train.
Push.
Hey, buddy. Oh!
I saw something.
But I saw something.
What could it be? Oh!
Oh, look at that.
Ooh!
Oh.
Ooh!
Chopped to bits.
Just terrible things happened to the guy's spine.
Yeah.
I got a little twisted. Hmm.
Who are you? Oh, my hands! Oh, my half! I like how the animation's still like synced though.
Yeah.
Like even if you What's in here? Hey guys.
Ah! Can you just mind trick?
Yep, mind trigger. Oh! Oh!
He has no head. And he has no head. Just
He has nothing. Cut.
he can no longer be diced. Ooh, spin attack.
Come on. Who are you? Who are you to survive lightsaber attacks? Get out of here.
Flick.
Oh, no longer electric.
Blaster! Did you say I've been hit?
Yeah, he's like, I've been hit. Oh! Oh. Look out. Ah!
I like how he died and didn't even touch him.
Yeah. I don't understand what any of this means! Stupid droids. Oh, look at that lightning. No, stop. Jump. There we go. Oh, it's not even. Who? Who dares? Can't wait till I have better force push. I can just like shove people all over the place. Ow! Oh, okay, we're back then. Jump. Damn. Get down. I'm a Jedi. Fear my blaster. Oh.
Silly Rhodian.
Oh yeah. What?
Tricks are for kids.
What? Who's this guy? Look at him. There we go. Get out of here.
You're impervious to lightsabers,
Oh, yeah,
but
yeah.
you're not impervious to falling.
Look how cocky the reborn are. I'm just like, that Jedi are powerful. He just like sits up there like taunting the entire day. I'm gonna mind trick him.
There's no escape.
Nope. Oh, bye. Ah! Done. Look at him, like he's...
Come get me, Jedi.
Whatever armor he had, stormtroopers should all have had.
Whoa! Where'd he go?
Let's see what's
So you're gonna like beat this guy with like, here, have that. Uh-oh. Ah!
there's no escape.
There's no escape.
Taunting you. Here, have these. And this. And this. And this. Have some of this. And this.
Whoa!
Oh!
Whoa!
Oh, he's done!
I think he died.
I think he's... Is he gone? No!
Oh.
He's still there!
Come get me, Jedi.
That's so useless. Oh! Look at that. Oh. Yeah, probably be careful and not do that.
Let's see what it comes.
Here. Oh. No. Okay, you know what? He's just gonna... push. Oh! I lose.
Oh.
It was supposed to be over because I had the high ground. Last checkpoint, I guess? Where would that take me? Oh, back to start.
Right in the...
We've already seen this. Try to blow up the train. Okay. Well, we should probably stop fooling around.
Yes.
Well, I mean, fooling around's fun. Get out of here. Get out of here. Man, these guys have like... Their armor is so good. Like... Oh, you're done.
He got his head and hand there.
Okay. I get it. Force jumping. Jump on boxes. Ow. I hate these guys because you can't. It's a Jedi! We're gonna have some quick save action, just in case. Who are you? Oh, stepped on you. Oh, now I gotta go back.
Where
did he
go?
Oh, did he fall down? Seems... Come get me, Jedi! Can I pull that? No! Back up. I want to back up. Oh! Darn, missing. Look at him! He, like... His is like this is the greatest armor in all of Star Wars history. Like I go up to this dude and he's like, I'm a reborn Sith, and nope, and
I'm now a reborn half.
takes one shot.
Sith.
Yeah, I'm half Sith. And then random mercenary 82479 with his armor. Just what? What?
Whoa.
There we go. Wow. All right. Well, that's the end of him. Next time we'll keep going on this pain train.
Pain train.
Hopefully, enemy armor doesn't get any better than this, or we're in some serious trouble.
Yeah.